Ferrari, one of the world's largest supercar manufacturers, has designed a vehicle capable of reaching 100 kilometers per hour in seconds. Ferrari Sf90. The brand has revolutionized the automotive industry with its models that push the boundaries of speed and technology. Every new Ferrari brings with it a legacy that no other car can match. From Formula One tracks to open roads, Ferrari represents the perfect blend of power, control, and timeless beauty. Each new model aims not only to break speed records. The goal is to maximize the driving experience and optimize the car's performance to its limits. The Sf90 is the latest example of this approach. Its engine, aerodynamic structure, and lightweight chassis design have been developed to provide balance and control even at high speeds. Its engine, chassis, and body are assembled entirely by hand. How is this engine produced? How do the parts come together? And how does such a complex system become a single automobile? That's why we're heading to the Ferrari factory in Maranello, Italy, to see the production process of the Ferrari Sf90 step by step. Before the Ferrari Sf90 emerged, the brand had undergone a long and steady development process. Ferrari's story began on the racetrack. Enzo Ferrari's goal was clear from the outset: to adapt the knowledge gained on the track to the road. This approach formed the basis of every car the brand produced. In the 1950s and 60s, Ferrari became known for its V12-powered models. This period shaped the brand's performance-focused identity. In the 70s and 80s, aerodynamics and driving balance gained greater importance. Models such as the 288 GTO and SF40 represented pure performance. With the 1990s, Ferrari began to use technology in a more controlled and measured way. Models like the SF50 and Enzo were examples of Formula One technology being transferred to road cars. These vehicles aim to offer not only more power, but also more precise and balanced driving. In the 2000s, the path toward hybrid systems gradually opened up. The LaFerrari was one of the most significant steps in this transformation. This model clearly demonstrated how electric assistance could complement performance. All this accumulated knowledge ultimately laid the groundwork for the emergence of the Ferrari Sf90. The Sf90 showcases its biggest innovation compared to previous models in hybrid technology and performance integration. The V8 engine is combined with an electric support system to optimize both power and speed response. As a result, the Sf90 responds much faster than classic V8 models, provides energy efficiency, and maintains its high performance. Another important innovation is the aerodynamic design and lightweight construction. The carbon fiber chassis and special alloys reduce the vehicle's weight while improving road holding and driving stability. Aerodynamic elements that were developed separately in previous models have been integrated into a single system in the Sf90, providing maximum efficiency at high speeds. So how is the Sf90 produced? Let's take a look at the process at the factory. The Ferrari Sf90 is produced at the Maranello facility by approximately 400 expert technicians and engineers. This team is involved in every stage, from mechanical assembly to carbon fiber chassis production, interior design, and quality control processes. Most of the employees are people who have gained experience and expertise at Ferrari over many years. Each one works meticulously to maintain the car's performance and quality standards. Ferrari Sf90 production begins with chassis and material preparation. The Sf90's chassis is made from carbon fiber and special alloys to ensure high strength and lightness. These materials are first cut with lasers, then hardened in special ovens called autoclaves, which are pressurized heat chambers. This process ensures the chassis achieves maximum strength and keeps the car stable at high speeds. At the same time, other parts are also being prepared: engine blocks, suspension components, and hybrid system components are manufactured separately and undergo quality control tests. Each part is meticulously checked for compliance with standards before arriving at the assembly line. Ferrari combines both technology and human labor at this stage. While advanced technologies such as laser cutting and autoclaves are used, experienced technicians visually inspect the accuracy and integrity of the parts. This ensures that the SF90's chassis forms a foundation that is both lightweight and extremely robust. The Ferrari Sf90's body paint is applied using a specially formulated multi-layer automotive-grade paint system that provides high durability and gloss. First, the primer coat is meticulously applied to ensure adhesion to the bodywork and a smooth finish for the top coat. Next, the color coat is applied in several thin layers to reveal Ferrari's characteristic, vibrant and deep color tones. Finally, the transparent protective clear coat provides resistance to both UV rays and minor scratches. The drying time and application thickness of each coat are controlled with precise measurements. Both robotic systems and human hands are used in the painting process. Final adjustments are made by hand on certain details and fine corners. Throughout the entire process, the body is continuously examined in a light tunnel. The smallest color differences, surface ripples, or scratches are detected and corrected. This ensures that the SF90 is finished with a high-quality paint that is both visually flawless and durable for many years. The V8 engine of the Ferrari Sf90 is manufactured as the most critical component determining the vehicle's performance. Engine production is carried out step by step in a specialized workshop by experienced technicians and engineers. Each engine block is machined with high precision. Pistons, crankshafts, and other mechanical parts are assembled with tolerances controlled to the millimeter. The alloys used in the engine's production are selected to increase both durability and lightness. The cylinders and engine blocks are machined using CNC machines and then prepared for assembly. Each part is tested during production for both measurement and performance. The assembly of the V8 engine is a process that combines human hands and advanced technology machines. Technicians ensure that the parts are positioned correctly, while computer-aided systems continuously monitor the engine's operation and performance. At the end of production, each engine is started and tested. Power output, performance response, and hybrid system integration are verified. Once the suspension and chassis assembly is complete, the F90 now has all the essential mechanical components required for driving. This stage forms the foundation for the vehicle's high performance on the track and road, preparing it for subsequent production steps. After the engine, hybrid system, and suspension are installed, the F90's body and aerodynamic components are mounted onto the chassis. Each part of the body is designed to enhance the vehicle's performance and aerodynamic efficiency. Panels, doors, and front and rear bumpers are carefully mounted, and all joints are checked with millimeter precision. Aerodynamic elements are integrated to ensure the vehicle remains stable at high speeds. Components such as the front splitter, side skirts, and rear diffuser are mounted for both aesthetic and functional purposes. At each stage of assembly, technicians ensure that the parts are correctly aligned and that all connections are secure. Once the body assembly is complete, the Sf90 now has an integrated structure in terms of both mechanical and exterior design. This stage is a critical step in the production process, determining the vehicle's performance and driving experience. After the body assembly, the interior assembly of the Sf90 begins. Each vehicle can be customized according to the customer's preferences. Leather upholstery, instrument panels, seat details, and console parts are individually crafted and meticulously assembled. Leather and other materials undergo quality control processes before being placed by technicians using manual labor. Every stitch, every panel, and every button is checked for both aesthetics and ergonomics. At this stage, the comfort, control, and ease of use offered by the vehicle to the driver are maximized. Once the interior assembly is complete, the SF90 is mechanically ready and equipped with a cockpit designed to appeal to the driver. This detailed craftsmanship ensures that the vehicle is not only high performance, but also enjoyable to use and driver-focused. Finally, the SF90 is taken for a test drive. The engine response, road holding, suspension performance, and braking are tested under different track surface and speed conditions. All data is recorded, and any deviations from the standards are addressed. This stage ensures that the vehicle is both safe and capable of maximum performance. The production process of the Ferrari Sf90 reveals much more than just the creation of a car. Every stage, from the chassis to the engine, from the paintwork to the final tests, progresses in a planned and controlled manner. The purpose of every step in the factory is to ensure that all systems work in harmony with each other. When this process is complete, the Sf90 emerges not just as a high-performance car, but as a product that combines engineering, craftsmanship, and technology. Every vehicle that leaves Maranello is the result of this production discipline and attention to detail. In this video, we examined step by step how the Ferrari Sf90 is produced. If the process caught your interest, feel free to share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for similar content. See you in the next video.